So what we're going to do now is we're going to continue to build up our button scripts using functions and event listeners. So I want you to go back into your code and I want you to select this first line, Control C and Control V to paste, or Command C and Command V if you're on the Mac. And what we need to do is square MC, we need to get rid of this, remove this, and we need to type a different type of event, which is roll over, like so. And here what we need to do is give this another name. So I'm going to say square over. Spell that correctly. Square over. Let's move that in so you guys can see that. And what I'm going to do, I'll actually extend this window like so. So what I'm now going to do is I need to go back here like so, and the next thing I want to do is copy this code and assign a function, and I'm going to say, instead of saying on click, we're going to say square over, like so. And what we now want to do is we want to say void, and that's fine, we can leave the rest the same. However, on here what we're now going to do is add curly brace, and we need to say, we can copy, I'm not going to write it out, we can actually copy this code and paste that event like so, and instead of .y we can say alpha, and as we've noticed before, the value is from 0 to 1, so we'll say 0.4 semicolon curly brace. We can check syntax. Now what will happen is every time we roll over, we can click this, everything else still runs, but when we roll over it blends out to 40% opaque. Now what we also need to do is, in the next tutorial I'll show you how to, when we've got rollover event, we obviously need a roll out event, and I'll show you how to add that in your code as well.